Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. OBD-II fault code B009E means a problem with the right side restraint sensor 5, subfault. This sensor is responsible for detecting if the right side restraint system needs to be activated in the event of a collision. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms. 1. Airbag warning light is illuminated. 2. Possible non-deployment of right side airbag in a collision. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Loose wiring or connections. Check the wiring and connections to the right side restraint sensor for any loose or damaged wires. Use a multimeter to test for continuity and ensure proper connections. Tighten any loose connections or repair any damaged wiring. Clear the code and see if the issue is resolved. Faulty sensor. Use a scan tool to monitor the sensor's data and check for any irregularities. Inspect the sensor for physical damage or signs of wear. Test the sensor's resistance and compare it to the manufacturer's specifications. Replace the faulty sensor with a new one. Clear the code and verify that the issue is resolved. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.